the role that the council play, they shouldn't really. I mean, it's up to the individual to look after themselves and take good care of themselves.
What the council can do is probably get people playing more sports.
Making this as centres like leisure centres probably more available to people with financial difficulties.
Advertising much more every single healthy and sports tournament and centre in town, and so everybody would know about them, and it would be much easier for everyone to get a membership.
Community centres and the sports centre that they lead, make it easy, make it cheaper. Basically, that's more important thing, is to make it cheaper.
Council should cut down certain prices for things. The cost of living is too expensive, so people struggle to be able to pay for instance, gyms or access to them.
I think the council should encourage things on a mass scale, so public activities, exercise, gyms, things like that, along with encouraging healthy food companies to provide healthy food alternatives, particularly vegetarian and vegan. I'm not either, but I do think there's a huge shortage of both, and I would appreciate more on a menu. But I do think it is the individual's responsibility. It's pretty much 50-50. I do think individuals tend to blame others a bit too much.
I think maybe re-education is the key, instead of showing benefits of what you would do and such. I think the council is doing a great job providing services. However, maybe just trying to bridge that gap in terms of how you want to get to reach out to these people.
Yeah, individuals have a lot of responsibility as far as their own health is concerned, but with the help of the council, with better facilities in the gym, for exercises.
And look after the elderly a little bit more.
Yeah, more attention to the elderly people, because some people can't afford to do things that they need to do, so they need help from the council for that.
The council, if they're organised enough, can put together facilities and make people aware of them, and affordable with any luck, and after that it's up to the individuals, I think, to make use of things.
Boy, the council could come down with gym prices, because obviously not everyone works. It's hard to get a job nowadays. Even people that's going uni can't even get jobs in their field. So it's like maybe making certain gyms for people in certain areas would be a good start, I suppose.
Yeah, even them little things like, remember them community centres as well.
Even in the parks nowadays in Kilburn, they've got a park with like a couple gym running machines. You do it everywhere.
So them things are good, definitely. So add more of them to the areas, I think.
Even people on their own initiative should be going to do it themselves as well.
Yeah, definitely.
At the end of the day, it's your health, so I think the majority of responsibility comes down to the individuals, if not all of it, although the council should definitely help. I mean, it's advantageous, but I don't see it as their responsibility.
Affordable facilities so that people can try to exercise more. And I think giving perhaps food vouchers to people who are, having a hard time would hopefully help them to eat well and become more healthier.
It is 50-50%, as in the individual needs to think about their well-being, but also the community needs to offer a wider range of facilities, and also they should take into consideration of like people's income and how much they get. And especially for younger students, the facilities should either be free or as little to nothing.
The onus should be really placed on everybody. If they want to have a healthy life, it's up to themselves to really try their best to make sure they achieve that.